Should I just do the lips one at the same time? I'll do it after. Just spend a long time making this video. You better subscribe. Welcome back, Bubble Squad. Hey guys, it's Emma back with another video this week, and I'm so excited because I honestly had no idea what I was filming for this week, but then I got something in the mail, so I'm so excited to do this for today's video. I was in contact with a brand called BodyBlendz, and they sent me this product to try out. I have not tried it yet, so it's going to be 100% my real opinion. They're not going to like get mad at me if I say I don't like it. So I haven't even opened it yet. There's like still plastic on it. What they sent me was the I'm gonna say this wrong. Is it black or like Blac Chyna? I don't know. Eni just informed me that her name is Blac Chyna, and she's really surprised that I don't know who that is. So if you take offense, I'm sorry. Ow. I just like gave myself a paper cut on my face. But this one is 4 crystal collagen facial masks. I'm assuming they're just like big ones that, you know, stick on your face and you can peel them right off, which is really convenient. And then they also gave me 2 of the lip masks. These ones, which I do not like, are just like plain on the back. There's no instructions, so I don't know how long to put this on. I'll just do it along with this mask. So they have a lot of different products. They're really famous for like their body scrubs, you know, like the oatmeal and coffee scrubs, which you probably see all over Instagram. But I am so excited to try a face mask like this. I think it's like the gold one, just like the lip masks. I'll read the back. It says, treat your skin to a weekly detox with this intensely purifying, non-drying treatment mask and reveal a radiant, even-toned, and clarified complexion. Formulated with a moisture-preserving algin to deeply hydrate the skin and oil-absorbing, pore-tightening bamboo charcoal, pores are purified and tightened, fine lines are smooth, skin's texture is refined, and pigmentation is reduced, all without irritation. So the instructions are very simple. Clean face, which I already did. That's why it's all like red and stuff. Remove the mask, put it on, and wear for 20 to 30 minutes. Now that's my only complaint so far. Like, that's a pretty long time, but also it must be doing a good job if it's on for that long. So I'm just gonna like go do this and like conveniently paint my nails while I'm doing it, so when you come back it'll look better than this, which you can't see, but they're all like tearing off. Yeah, so let's put this on. By the way, this company is from like Australia, which is really cool. I saw on the label like, I got mail from Australia. Which another Australian company also contacted me like, was it like a year ago? Couldn't have been that long. But I got that like charcoal natural teeth whitener, which I tried out and I love. I use it all the time. I made a video on that. But yeah, if BodyBlendz is watching this, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And to other companies, my email's down below. So here's the mask. Whoa, I was expecting it to be black. I mean, I was expecting it to be gold, but it's black. This is really funny looking. Okay, I've seen people wear these and they look really funny. So there's a bunch of like liquid moving around. It's said to like wipe the excess liquid on my neck and hands. Just like, it smells familiar. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do the lips ones at the same time. I don't want to tear it. Oh my god, if I tear it, wow. Oh frick! Ugh, my sweatpants are like wet now. Ah! Not very easy to get out of the package. Oh my god, I don't want to tear it. These are probably really expensive. Really expensive. Okay, we got it. We got it. Boom. Well, this looks really cool. Okay, ready? Woo! This is kind of creepy. The mouth hole should be bigger. Okay, I think I got it for the most part. Why won't it stick on the edges? I need to do this for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll probably do 30 because I'm going to paint my nails. It's sliding everywhere. It's really soothing and like cold and wet. I look like a ninja. Bubblegum ninja! Ha! Get it? That's where you laugh for moral support. Okay guys, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, it's drooped a little, and I'm gonna take it off now. Whoa, that feels really cool. Oh my god, where do I put this? Okay, my face feels very moisturized. whoa, it's like a little bit wet, kind of like I was expecting, but there's not like stuff I need to wipe off. You're just supposed to pat it into your skin. My opinion, like the bottom half from here down was hard to stay stuck because, you know, I was just sitting up. Here's my fingernails, by the way, I just did black. But I found after I finished painting my fingernails, I just like laid in bed on my phone. I recommend that, you know, so that the gravity keeps the mask all the way pressed on, and I think it would work best that way. But yeah, I really like how, you know, you can just take it off, because the only face masks I've tried are the ones that you apply, you know, brush it all over your face and let it dry, and then you have to wash it off, and that's such a hassle. So this is just super handy, and I honestly loved doing it. Like, it's really easy, and I feel like you could do this right before a big event because your makeup would go on so smoothly, because it feels just like bouncy, and it's supposed to like clear out your pores too. So I'm going to do the lip one now. Like I said, it bothers me that there's no instructions on the back. I'm gonna do like 10 minutes. Also, this will be great to put on like right before you're gonna do a lip kit or something that really dries you out. So here we go, and obviously I won't be able to talk with this on, so I look like a duck. 10. I'm gonna do it for 10 minutes. That feels really weird. I've never like done something like that on my lips. They feel like super slippery, and it was really easy, but even more so than the last mask, it definitely would not have stayed on if I just sat up or was walking around. I had to lay down, so even though these ones are a little bit time consuming, it's worth it. Like if you're just having a nice pampering day, you can just lay down or you can read or something. So yeah. Final thoughts, I actually really liked both of these products. My face and my lips feel amazing and moisturized and just like bouncy. I don't even know how to explain it, but they were so easy. You know, there's like one step, just put it on and leave it and take it off, and it's that simple. There's no rinsing or anything. I'm done. I could put makeup on now. It would look so good and just go on so smoothly and like dewy. I don't know if you can tell, but look, my skin's like a little bit shiny. It's just got a glow to it. I think that was in the description of the package. It said like give you a glow or something. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I almost didn't know what video to do, and so I was gonna like ask on Instagram for you guys to request a video, so you never want to miss anything that I like put out there. I like to talk to you guys a lot. By the way, don't miss my next video. Hint, I'm going to add it to my physical transformations playlist, so stay tuned. Side note, I already took my like mascara off, but I just realized I think that my acne, like, it's less noticeable now. I don't know if I'm crazy or what. You can let me know, but I feel like it's less red. So if it like made that go away, like wow. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.